Let's find what percentage of oil has leaked from the tank. Percentage leaked equals leaked divided by total times 100. So, percent leaked equals 7 divided by 49 times 100 equals 700 divided by 49 equals 100 divided by 7 equals 14 2/7. 14 2/7% of the oil has leaked. Let's learn how to multiply 64 by 9 without using a calculator. First, it's easier to multiply by 10 first. 64 times 10 is equal to 640. Now, since 9 is 1 less than 10, we subtract one group of 64. 640 minus 64 is equal to 576. 64 times 9 is equal to 576. Quick mental math made easy. Let's find the volume of a Christmas box in meters cubed. Since 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meter, we have 8 centimeters equals 0.08 meter. 6 centimeters equals 0.06 meter. 5 centimeters equals 0.05 meter. Volume V equals 0.08 meter times 0.06 meter times 0.05 meter. V equals 0.00024 cubic meters. The volume of the Christmas box is 0.00024 cubic meters. Let's find 15 squared. Here's a quick way to do it mentally. First, take the first digit, which is 1, then multiply it by the next whole number, which is 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Next, square the last digit, 5. 5 squared equals 25. Now put the two parts together. 2. 25. Then, 15 squared equals 225. Let's find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 21 centimeters. We use the formula circumference C equals 2 pi r, as pi equals 22/7. Now, substitute the values. Circumference C equals 2 times 22/7 times 21/2. Circumference C equals 66 centimeters. Let's find the value of x if x equals square root 0.1. A helpful trick is to think of the decimal as a fraction. Square root 0.1 equals square root 1/10. Approximate square root 10. Square root 10 is almost equal to square root 9 plus 1 divided by 2 square root 9 equals 3 plus 1/6 is almost equal to 3.17. Square root 0.1 is almost equal to 1 divided by 3.17 is almost equal to 0.32. The value of x is almost equal to 0.32.